a lovely green paradise, beautiful water, and picturesque Canadian geese. But the geese are not just scenery. They like your property too, and they're stubborn, territorial, and aggressive. They ravage the grass and leave their calling cards behind. Ugly, disease-laden droppings, including the E. coli bacteria. On average, a new deposit every 7 minutes. That's £1 a day per goose. Besides the mess, they cause millions of dollars worth of damage to turf. You can't harm them because they are protected by law, but you must get rid of those geese. Forget about plastic swans and loud banging machines. They just don't work. But GooseChase does. GooseChase is a safe, biodegradable, food-grade product made from a bitter, smelly byproduct of Concord grapes. GooseChase is easy to use. For large applications, simply add GooseChase to the tank sprayer. Use a gallon of GooseChase concentrate per acre, diluted with water. For smaller applications, use any pressurized or handheld sprayer. Once it's dry, GooseChase won't wash off with rain. Just reapply after mowing to keep your area goose-free all season long. GooseChase is the most effective, economical way to rid your property of geese and keep them away. You'll be able to enjoy your grass once again, pure, undamaged, pristine, the way it should be. GooseChase, an effective, economical solution that saves your property and your sanity. GooseChase from BirdX. For over 35 years, the bird control experts.